my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will be creating some coasters. But before I start, I just clean my mold, make sure that it's free from any little dust particles, and now I will mix my colors. So today I chose two colors from Just For You Online UK, and it's called white pigment and cafe latte pigment. And also I will be adding these silver crushed glass in the middle, and it's from Resin 8. So here I have pre-mixed my resin and I'm just dividing it, and after we'll add some color. And this time I am using resin from Just For You Online UK with yellow label. And as it is first time for coasters, I don't know really what to expect. Just one thing I noticed, it is on the thick side. And it says on the label it cures quite fast. In roughly 5 hours it's already touch dry. So I'm mixing everything well in, and as it is on the thicker side, I thought I will give it a blast of hot air so I get rid of most of the bubbles. And also to avoid bubbles on the edges, that, as we all know, it's the annoying part. I'm trying to heat my mold as well a bit, and it should prevent forming bubbles. The bubbles should rise up easier. And here I go. So I start with the cafe latte pigment and I go around the edges. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. I would appreciate if you would click a like on it, and if you like videos about resin and everything connected with resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, so there is always something new to see for you. Thank you. And as I have a little bit resin left, I decide to make little heart chains as well. So after that, I pour in the middle the clear resin until the resin meets. And as you can see, it's quite full of bubbles. So I will take my heat gun now and try to pop as much as I can. I will put some music in the background for you and let you enjoy the rest of the pouring. And once again, because I had overleft resin, I wasn't sure how much to make for these 4 coasters. I had enough to make another coaster. So I decided to try once again the flower technique, but this time a bit different as I tried last time. Instead of white petals, because I have still left the cafe latte one, I will make the petals cafe latte. And in the middle I will add some fine glitter, also from Just For You online. And here I'm just finishing off this little heart, and I notice at this moment that the resin is not moving at all in my rest of the coasters. So I really didn't know what to do except to kind of swirl the resin around and see if I can make some pattern. So this is the next day and it's time to demold them, and I can tell you right away that these are definitely my least favorite makes so far. I don't know what happened, why the resin didn't move, so it's kind of meh. Only somehow this coaster turned out not too bad. So I really don't understand why others didn't make any pattern like this as well, and the resin didn't move really. So the only way maybe how I could save them is to add some vinyl sticker. Otherwise, yeah, I will not even bother to put a top coat on them. And this is my flower attempt. It looks okay. I'm not saying that is a flower, but comparing with other ones, I like it. And here are the little hearts. And for these ones, I'm thinking to add vinyl stickers and make cute key rings. So here are the finished results. I paint the edges silver, and here we can see all how they look. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.